Masama ba ang credit card o hindi?
Kung one short answer, depende sa gumagamit. And during the pandemic, what I did was nag-buy and sell ako online. Pero meron kasi akong margin dun sa item na binibili ko, 300k at ang ano ko sa credit card. It was an experience na parang uncomfortable. So, minsan nakakalimutan ko bayaran, nagkaka-interest.
Yeah. Ako, ang credit card is a privilege. Kung ikaw responsible kang gumamit ng credit card, hindi kikita bangko sa'yo. Ikaw ang kikita sa bangko. Isipin mo, pinautang na kita, kumita ka pa. Example ako, I buy most of the things that I want in life or my necessities using my credit card. Pag pay time na, pabayaran ko ng buo. So pag binayaran ko ng buo yan, may libre akong ticket sa sinihan. Meron akong free flight. So,
rewards.
Oo, so reward.
yes,
So,
yes.
ano ang take ko? Credit card is good as long as you know how to use the credit card.
Ito naman na ako talaga, hindi man na-experience or I had direct conversations at
Okay.
ako mismo na tinutulungan ko mismo sila na i-solve yung problem ng
Which is
debt.
credit card problem.
Credit
Yes!
card problem.
So,
Ito pala,
so what I noticed is people use credit card and treat it as extra money.
Oh,
Ah.
Di
parang,
ba? Yun talaga.
oh,
extra
parang extension
money
of their wallet.
Yes.